Food, something we rely on every day. But do we all get access to quality food? Judges, we are Team 5 and we have decided to tackle SDG 3, Good Health and Wellbeing. In Good Health and Wellbeing, we have decided to tackle the problem of consumption of contaminated food by visually impaired people.
Visually impaired people today don't have the privilege to choose between rotten food and fresh food. Consumption of contaminated food leads to foodborne diseases with symptoms such as severe diarrhea and debilitating infections. 1 in 10 people globally fall ill because of eating unclean food. Each year, 42,000 people die annually, and 48 million people suffer from food poisoning, and it is one of the most common forms of illnesses relating to the contamination of food.
To resolve this issue, we have developed an app to determine the quality and condition of the food. Before purchasing the food you wish to buy, all you have to do is scan it on our app, which will analyze the food based on its appearance and produce a report stating whether it is viable to eat or not. This will reduce the consumption of contaminated food, thereby reducing the possibility of being diagnosed with drastic infections and diseases. Moreover, we have made it manageable for visually impaired people, as it includes audio features and easy-to-use mobile features.
Our app is an easy-to-use software designed for people with visual impairments and uneducated people. The design correlates to the mission, which is why everything is green, symbolizing good health and well-being. And our logo is a woven basket that symbolizes our roots in human life. Our app also has a scanning feature on the homepage, which allows users to scan their product of choice, determining whether it's in good condition or not.
The scan button leads to a page where you can scan an image of your food through a teachable machine, which will be shown shortly. If you click on the sound icon here, it'll read out all the contents of the slide. We also added a quick access chatbot for queries about fresh food, and it'll also give recommendations about where to source and buy healthy food from.
Thank you.
So in our program, we have 5 different foods so far. We have fruits, vegetables, breads, cheese, and meat. We have divided each of these food categories into 2 subparts, fresh and rotten, and have created 33 examples for each subsection. Our AI model will look at the food and make its prediction on what type of food it is, after which it'll say whether it's rotten or fresh. So for example, this watermelon, the AI is able to recognize this as a fresh fruit with 89% confidence.
Good health is central to human happiness, and well-being contributes significantly to prosperity, wealth, and even economic progress, as healthy populations are more productive, save more, and live longer. Our app helps visually impaired people healthy and not get food poisoning. Visually impaired people no longer will buy or consume stale fruits, vegetables, bread, cheese, and more.
So judges, join us on this journey to help achieve good health and well-being with the assistance of this app.
Thank you, Team 5. That was just in time. Perfect. Thank you.
I love the passion. I love like how spot on you all guys being on your presentations and covering, I think, probably all the points that has been given to you guys. But as not a very technical person, can you explore a little bit more and tell me how this scan would work to recognize the fresh food that is not fresh? What kind of criteria it uses?
We train the model with pictures of fresh compared to non-fresh of different items like bread, cheese, fruits, and vegetables. There's a clear visual difference between a fresh, let's say a fresh tomato, whereas a stale tomato, and the AI recognizes the visual differences and based on that classifies the object as a fresh or a stale.
So they would take a picture of, let's say if my mum goes to shop and buy a tomato, so she's going to take a picture and then we'll tell her it's good or not good.
Yes, our AI model would do just that. After a picture is taken, the picture would be shown as, would be classified into a category, either fresh or stale, and that would be shown to the user.
Okay, got it. Thank you.
I also liked a lot the enthusiasm and the way you presented with a lot of background facts about the problem statement that you chose. Really well done, and congratulations. And I think the other point I wanted to highlight, the very thoughtful approach who your consumers can be, and thinking about people who might not be able to read on your app and just need some voice assistance. That's really very deep thinking about your product, about how it's gonna work. Well done.
Thank you so much.
Congratulations on a very efficient, perfect timing pitch. Definitely, I think we felt your passion on the other side of the screens, or you could read it on our faces in the middle of the presentation. So excellent training for the pitching. Also the idea and the AI behind picture recognition and finding a solution where you could use picture recognition as a part of the health and food issue. So great job, Team 5.